Welcome to Sacred Art High School. So today we start with a new chapter in science, lesson number 14, part A, measurement and effects of heat. Here we are going to learn the sources of heat as well as heat and temperature. Children, heat is transferred by conduction, convection and radiation. Expansion, change of state, rise in temperature, emission of light, burning are various effects of light. Sources of heat are sun. The sun is the biggest source of heat received by the earth. A large amount of heat is generated due to the nuclear fusion taking place in its center. In this process, hydrogen nuclei fuse together to form helium nuclei, generating heat in the process. Some of it reaches the earth in the form of light and heat. Earth. As the temperature at the center of the earth is high, the earth is also a source of heat. This heat is called geothermal energy. Chemical energy. When fuels like wood, coal, petrol, etc. burn, there is chemical reaction between the fuel and oxygen. Heat is generated in these reactions. Electrical energy. In your daily life, you have seen several equipments which produce heat with the help of electricity. Example, electric press, electric heater, etc. Thus, electricity is a source of heat. Atomic energy. A huge amount of heat is produced in a very short time when the nuclei of some elements like uranium, thorium, etc. undergo fission. This is used in atomic energy projects. Air. A large amount of heat is present in the air around us. Heat and temperature. Heat. It is a form of energy. It flows from a body at higher temperature to a lower temperature. The total kinetic energy of the atoms in a substance is a measure of the heat contained in that substance. The SI unit of heat is the joule. Heat, being a form of energy, can be expressed in erg also. Heat is also expressed in calorie and kilocalorie. Temperature. It is a quantitative measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. It decides the direction of flow of heat. The temperature of a substance is related to the average kinetic energy of the atoms in that substance. Thank you.